चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक करें, लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें।
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhudi and welcome to my DIY series. Today I am going to unbox and review a DIY wall hanging unicorn kit. So without further ado, let's start the video. So this kit is a gift from my Boa. It is a craft set wall hanging. It has multiple items inside. Now let's unbox it. In this kit, we get a wooden block of unicorn shape, smaller items like unicorn's horn, beads and string, 3 cute pom-poms of color blue, pink and yellow, a feather block, 2 star blocks, 7 containers of paint and a brush. Now let's start. I started with pink paint on unicorn's ears. I used a finer brush for the ears. This was a round brush number 6. After some time, I completed the unicorn's face. The paint in this kit is diluted and thin, so I had to apply 2 coats of all the colors. Now I chose color red for the star and then I started painting. Apply long strokes for best result. After almost half an hour, I finished painting 2 coats of each paint. I painted 1 star red, 1 orange, the feather blue and purple and the beads pink. Now let's paste the glitter cutout of the horn. The horn was supposed to have adhesive backside, but there was some fault, so I used glue. I also pasted the 3 pom-poms to make a rainbow band. Now we have to string 1 bead and 1 feather in 1 piece of felt rope. Then we have to secure it using a knot and do the same for both the stars. Lastly, tie the other end of the strings to the unicorn's head, and as for the last string, tie it to make a hanger, and voila, it's ready. I hung it on my door. Isn't it cute? Please comment if you like this cute unicorn decor. If you want to buy this product, I will provide the link in the description box below. तो ये था आज का DIY ज्ञान. न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.